Welcome to the Garden of Eden. There's nobody here but me and you. So what we're gonna be eating? Microphone check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Looks like we got a little place to do the things we need to do now. And it'll sound like this. Welcome to the end of the world. Yeah, nobody left but one boy and one girl and one other. But you know we can't live like a sister and a brother. They're gonna make you a mother now. The first of the rivers is called River Rouge, and the third of the rivers is called the Strait. And I gotta get out, and gotta find a way to eat the fruit from the tree of fate. I bet it tastes like this. And do we exist? And do we even know all the little things like where we came from or where we're gonna go? And I for one am one who doesn't know, but so what? What's up? Join the club now if you can. Johnny begot Sam, Polly begot Pam. Tell me now, do we got fam? One by one, everyone moving on with the plan. Watch me walk, then I stroll, and it's your telephone talk. Then you scroll, and it's watch me rock. Then I roll, baby, and it's let me out, let me shout. Woo! Right from my soul, with salt and coal. Yeah. Now listen to me roll with it.
I don't need to be a global citizen, cause I'm blessed by nationality. I'm a member of a growing populace, we enforce our popularity. There are things that seem to pull us under, and there are things that drag us down. But there's a power and a vital presence that's lurking all around. We got the American Jesus, see him on the interstate. We've got the American Jesus, he outbuilt the president's estate. I feel sorry for the Earth's population, cause some you live in the USA. And it's important as to copy our morality. They can visit but they cannot stay. Only precious few can garner the prosperity, and it's a swap between incompetence. We got a place to go where we die, and the architect resides right here. We've got the American Jesus, fostering national faith. We've got the American Jesus, overwhelming millions every day. He's the farmer clearing fields, the puts the army wields, expressions on the faces of the starting millions. The power of the plan, the fuel that drives the clan. He's the motive and the conscience of the murderer. He's a preacher on TV, the false sincerity, the formula that's written by the big computers and nuclear bombs. The kids with no moms, and I'm fearful that he's inside me. Yeah, we've got the American Jesus,
Texas, I can tell. Well, I guess he forgot about the Smoky Mountain rain, the old hang tunes, the Memphis blues we used to sing. He always loved Amarillo by morning. I should have taken that as a warning. She's from Texas, I can tell by the way he's two-stepping round the room, and judging by the smile that's written on his face, there's nothing I can do. It doesn't take a crystal ball to see a cowboy always finds a way to leave. Drinking Jack all by myself. He's choosing Texas, I can tell. When I'm eastbound and down and I can't help but cry, 'cause I-40 gets lonelier with every mile. I'll know that his mind wasn't never gonna change, 'cause his heart still belongs to the Lone Star State. She's from Texas, I can tell by the way he's two-stepping round the room, and judging by the smile that's written on his face, there's nothing